If you want to turn on the Rovo agent for your portal so that your external users or your customers can use it, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. You can do it from the space settings. However, there are two assumptions. The first one being that Rovo is indeed turned on for your site. The second one, that your users are not anonymous, meaning that they do log in or they're able to create an account to log in and be an external portal-only customer. If they are not logging in and you do not allow them to create accounts, they will not be able to engage with the Rovo chat from the portal. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, you'll do this just from the space settings. You'll go into Rovo. As you're into your space settings, you'll see Rovo. You're going to click on that. Now, if you've never engaged this before, you're going to see you'll see two options. One is for service teams, and one is for the Rovo agent on the portal. Now, if you've never engaged it or turned it on, you'll have a similar box like this down here, and you'll just click the Get Started. It'll spin up the Rovo agent from a template in which you can then open it up in the studio and refine it as you need. Once you have your Rovo agent spun up and ready to go, you can go ahead and go to your portal settings. You can either access it directly from here, or you can just go to the portal settings on the side menu. So we'll hit on our extended menu and we'll click Portal Settings. Now in here, we need to scroll down just a little bit. We'll see our Rovo agent that we turned on. You can select any agent that you've got set up for this and then display Rovo agent on this portal. Now we'll go ahead and go to the portal and we should see that the chat for the Rovo agent will appear for this specific portal. So here we have it. We can look at our past chat histories. We can close it out if we don't want it, and we can always re-engage with it, clicking the little icon in the bottom right and bringing it back up. After implementing Jira for over 200 companies, we've seen the same failure story over and over. The Jira adoption started out small and then grew into a free-for-all mangled web of customizations that just didn't scale. If that's you, that's exactly what we help you fix. If you want help implementing or fixing Jira in a way that will grow with you no matter your success, hit the first link in the description below.